guys, I'm going to show you guys how to make a coffee table with the metal stool, a round glass, and a wheel. Check it out. Stay tuned. This is what I'll need. I got my rally wheel with the white wheel. Got my round glass. There's the stools. I bought these at a yard sale for $5. I just painted them black. I got my beauty ring, rally center cap. Got my drill bits. I only need one. I use the 3/8 inch. And then I got my 4 bolts with the nuts and then 8 washers. Sharpie, wrench, impact drill, safety glasses, a screwdriver. First thing I'm going to do is grab my flathead screwdriver. I'm going to take the wood seat off. There's 4 flathead screws on here. So these 4 will come off. So I can take the top wood piece off. There's 3 off. 1 more. Alright, so it should look like this. The bare seat. So next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to grab the tire and I'm going to place it right here. And you want to center it as much as possible. I usually just go by eye. So I'm going to grab my marker and then I'm going to mark 2 circles where the lugs go up top and then 2 on the bottom, just so I know where I'm going to drill. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove the tire, put it right here to the side, and then the marks are right there marked. I put a piece of cardboard underneath just so I can get all the metal shavings. So now I'm going to put my safety glasses on. I got my impact and my drill ready. And I'm going to drill where the marks are. Done. It does make a mess, so most people will do it outside. I'm doing it inside. Now I'm going to pick up the tire and I'm going to place it right here and line up the holes. You see that? That's how it should be lined up. See the 4 holes? They're lined up. So now I got the 4 bolts with 4 washers, 1 washer on each bolt, and I'm going to place them on each hole, just like that. 1 by 1. All 4 are on. Now I got the 4 nuts with 4 washers also. I'm going to put 1 by 1. Now I got my wrench, socket wrench. I'm going to tighten the bolts and the nuts one by one. Like that. I'm not going to tighten them too tight yet. So then I can just crisscross. Not tight. Not so tight. Just enough to hold it down. Slowly getting there. Almost there. Hang on tight. It's a good little workout. Comfortable position. That's what it is. I tightened it just enough. Now I'm going to crisscross when I tighten them. So I'm going to tighten this one tight. Go across. Top one. Tight. There we go. They're on tight now. Now let me get the beauty ring and the center cap. Put the center cap on first. Pound it on there. Beauty ring. It's the old school style, so there we go. This is what it looks like so far. See that? Now I'm going to get some tire foam. Spray it to clean it up. Shine the tire up. Let it sit for a couple seconds. And I'm going to wipe it with the microfiber towel. Shine this baby up. Shine it all up. That's what it looks like now. Look at that. Beautiful. Look at that beauty. There's that end. It's 0.3. Now let's bring this end. 0.3. Oh yeah, good enough. Beautiful. Look at that. So you know you did a good job. And just like that, it's all done. We got a coffee table, guys. Check that out. A glass coffee table. Man, I love it. It turned out nice. Check it out. It's beautiful. And it's done fast. Doesn't take that long. And that is a 15x8 rally. Let's see what the measurements are. The glass is 29 and a quarter. 29 inches and a quarter. And then height is 29 inches. So 29 height, and the glass top is 29 and a quarter. Check out this other one I did also with the stool. Look at that one. That one's I painted the bottom white. That's the only difference, and then it's off of a C10 wheel. So it turned out pretty cool. Look at that. Check that out. Controllers go on the bottom. That one's sweet. Of course, go Niners. Look at that. This is definitely my favorite one. And just like that, we'll end the video with a nice cold one. Thanks for watching, guys. Cheers. Nice and cold.